The following are the major steps to calculating the tension on your samples. The first step is to install the metal plate on top of the specimen. This allows for the force gauge to have a flat surface to press against. The second step is to install the table, allowing for the force gauge to be as accurate as possible, judging the tension on the sample. Make sure that both the arm that is holding the weight on top of the Wyzenbeek is level, as well as the table, before continuing. Lastly, line up the force gauge with the metal bar so it hits the divot and crank the hand screw to move the force gauge forward. As soon as you get a reading on the force gauge, you need to stop. This may take a few times because it is touchy. Once all the steps are completed, you can then move your weight on the bar to change the tension to the desired weight. Double check that, again, everything is level at this step without the need for adjustment on the screw. If it is not, the force gauge is reading the incorrect number. Remove the force gauge and the table. Again, make sure everything is still level after you've removed everything. If it is not, then you need to restart.